Are you a BTech or a master's student who is targeting to do a MTech in IIT? Or for that matter, you want to do your PhD from IIT? Then I have some great news for all of you. As you all know, that GATE exam happens once a year in the month of February. And for GATE 2025, for biotechnology as well as life science, we are starting a fresh batch called as Shourya Batch. Now, under this batch, we are going to discuss a lot of nuances of these entrance exams. We are going to help you prepare for this exam. There will be test series, there will be daily classes, and we will have a 24/7 chat support so that you can ask your doubts. You'll be provided study material, online as well as offline, hard copy. So all of this is included in our GATE Shourya Batch. And if you are a GATE Biotech student or a GATE Biotech aspirant or a GATE Life Sciences aspirant, this is a golden chance to enroll in Shourya Batch. The batch will start from 15th of April and will go on till next year, January 31st. Okay. And this particular batch will have everything covered, entire syllabus covered, including bioprocess engineering, engineering mathematics, and everything in between. So what are you waiting for? If you are interested in GATE Life Sciences or GATE Biotech coaching exclusively for these two subjects, then you can join our Shourya Batch. So GATE Life Science will have a separate batch. GATE Biotech will have a separate batch. You can enroll in any of these of your choice. But here is the best part. This is a year-long training program, but we are going to give you 3 free internships along with that. Now, what are those internships? The first one is coding for biologists. The second one is bioinformatics summer internship. And the third will be your molecular biology techniques internship. Now, why we are giving this for free is because you will not just prepare for the GATE exam whenever you get bored. You have these internships to go ahead with. And this you can write on your CV when you appear for the interview in IIT or when you appear for a job elsewhere. You don't need to say that, hey, I was preparing for GATE, that's why there is a gap here. Instead, you can say, I did 3 different internships at Biotecnika. So that will help you a lot. So this is a strategy which we are following at Biotecnika since long, and it helps all our students. You get a job also after these internships, and at the same time, if you qualify GATE exam, fair enough, you have your IITs to take care, right? So the batch starts 15th of April, but the coding for biologists will start from 28th of March. So if you enroll before 28th of March, you will get 3 internships. If you enroll after 28th March, you will get only 2 internships. So what are you waiting for? Link is in the description. You can check it out. And you can also dial our toll-free number 1-800-1200-1818, where you can directly talk to anyone among us and you can discuss all your admission details, preparation requirements, and so that we can customize the coaching according to you. So see you as a Shourya Batch student. Till then, please take care. Bye-bye.